Just a little background about Creston brand. Creston has been in the market for almost 2 decades. It was started in 2002 with the purpose of giving Filipino households access to durable yet affordable hardware supplies. We offer wide varieties of hardware products. We have basic hand tools, electrician tools and automotive, power tools and machineries, and other general hardware products. We also offer lock sets and securities and plumbing products. Gardening tools and even storage solutions. Now, let's get a tour inside Creston hardware options. These are the complete set of Creston basic tools and general hardware products in which Creston is well known. In here is the collection of Creston battery charger. We have 2 types of battery charger, the automatic and manual type. For the welding machine, we offer arc welding and MIG welding. We also have 2 types of welding machine, the inverter type, which uses IGBT technology, and the other type is the conventional type or transformer type. We also have here air compressor, and here are the power tools. We have drill, grinder, jigsaw, and circular saw, blower, and polisher. All Creston power tools and machineries have 6 months service warranty. Aside from tools, we also offer lock set and handle set. We offer entrance lock sets with many design and finishes to choose from. We have handle set for double door and of course for single door. Moving on to plumbing, Creston kitchen sink is made of stainless steel 304. We have matte finish and also the glossy one. We offer budget-friendly sink and also high-end sink that is best for your main kitchen. Our high-end sinks are handmade, meaning it is manually molded and shaped. Good thing about our sink, it comes with its P-drop accessories so you don't have to hassle yourself buying a separate one. For the faucet, we have brass and chrome-plated series and also have stainless steel series. We offer cold or hot and cold mixer. Like our kitchen sink, we have budget-friendly faucet for kitchen and lavatory and also high-end ones. For our high-end kitchen faucet, we have the pull-out type like this. We also have wide selection for bath shower. We have ordinary shower, but we also have luxury type shower mixer. We have brass, chrome-plated series, and also stainless steel series. We also have here gardening products, from hose to nozzles and connectors. We have the complete set of those. For more product details and inquiries, you may contact us at 02-8403-2954 or 02-8631-7458 or text us at 0917-173-6377 or 0917-328477. For quotation requests, you may email us at crestonhardwareoptions@ymail.com or inquiry.crestonph@gmail.com. You may also visit our showroom store located in MC Home Depot, Fort Bonifacio and Ortigas branch. You may visit our website www.crestonhardware.com. Again, this is Creston, the brand you can trust.